everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial, we will be creating with the lovely Jessie James Bead Strand diamonds. And this is the exclusive strand made for the Softflex Company design kit. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing of that fabulous design kit, as well as a link to all tutorials created with that kit. So every month, Jessie James Beads will make a custom bead strand and bead mix to correspond with the design kit. So I purchased the bead strand. It's so beautiful and elegant, and diamonds are the birthstone for the month of April. So we're going to be designing a bracelet. When I originally saw this strand, I fell in love with these little components here. I have something special planned for them. As it is springtime, I'm going to add in these beautiful laser etched butterfly coins, and they are double-sided. And then I'm adding in pink tourmaline just to give it that little bit of pink color to go with the design kit. And I will leave links down below in the description for the products I am using if they are still available. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So for our bracelet, it's going to be basic bead stringing. And I like to work on the spool of Softflex wire. It just acts as a bead stopper. The sterling silver came in the design kit, but I just wanted to add some pink in there. And then also it's going to show through these clear beads. So it just kind of adds to the design elements. So we're just going to add on all our beads. Comment down below what you thought of this fantastic kit. So you can see the beautiful pink tourmaline. So we're just going to add on all the beads until we reach this little component here. Then we're going to add in one of our beautiful butterfly beads. Perfect for springtime. And then we're just going to continue to add the beads. I love this center one, just perfect for a sun catcher or to like wire wrap like a herringbone on it. I think it's called a sunburst cut, but it's just so highly faceted. It's beautiful. The Jessie James bead strand, they have a little mix of everything, just a little bit of metals. You have some glass pearls, and then of course your glass or Czech glass, depending on the bead strand. We have like little clay spacers in there. So we have our gorgeous bracelet. And since summer is right around the corner, we're going to make a little adjustments to the bracelet that if you wanted to in a few weeks or a few months, you can always convert it to an anklet. So still leaving my beads on a spool, I'm going to bring in a 2x2. And this is what's going to secure our bracelet together. We have our Softflex wire. We're just going to pass it back through our 2x2. And this is just going to create a little loop or a connection point. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish. This is going to flatten our 2x2. Now you can leave this as is, but I just like to rotate my pliers and squeeze again. This just rounds it and gives it a more professional finish. It makes it look like a little bead. We have a little bit of Softflex left over, so we're just going to trim that. You could have connected your clasp directly to the Softflex. I like to add jump rings just in case I do want to make it into an anklet or make it a little longer and extend it. I don't have to restring my projects. So we're just going to slide all our beads down, and then we're just going to cut a good working length of Softflex. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just add on our 2x2 and pass back through. Now, before we flatten this side, we just want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You just want them similar. And then we're just going to flatten and rotate. We're just going to take our pliers and trim off any extra soft flex wire. And we have the base of our beautiful bracelet. So sparkly and summery, and the butterflies are almost like a rainbow metallic. So it's just going to pick up the color from that clear crystal and make like a little rainbow effect. So now we're just going to attach our clasp. We're going to take a 6 millimeter jump ring and a clasp of your choice. I am using a lobster claw, and we're just going to close the jump ring. Now you can use a smaller jump ring if you prefer. We're just going to gently twist. You should hear a little click and you'll know it's secure. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you had a two-part clasp, like such as a toggle, you would just attach that second part of your clasp to the other jump ring. So we have our beautiful bracelet, perfect for the springtime or summertime. And you have the beautiful pink tourmaline, and it's just a rainbow. And we have our two little butterflies fluttering towards that center crystal. So just by removing a few of the beads, it kind of changes up the whole bead strand. So just a really fun little project. And then we can create with our other little findings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more tutorials on this design kit, as well as the products used in this video. Have an awesome day.